How are all the trains doing? It's a lot of choo-choos, buddy. It's a lot of trains, huh, buddy? Uh-oh, Percy crashed. Thomas won. James crashed. Percy crashed. Thomas 2's okay. Uh-oh. We got a train wreck. There goes James. Thomas 2 crashed. There goes the searchlight. Uh-oh, here comes James J. Here they all come. Crash. On the bridge. Go help Thomas. He needs your help. Can you help Thomas? Now you need. Can you help James? Hey Jay. James needs help. Can you help him go on the track? Are they all going? Is there a train by your feet? There he goes. Where's Harold? Where's Harold? You want to put him back on his little pad? Yeah. No, that's Harold's house, huh? That's where Harold lives.